Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete and void invoices. Deleting and voiding invoices in Xero may sound like the same thing, but they actually serve very different accounting purposes. A lot of users accidentally void invoices they meant to delete, or try deleting invoices that are already part of active accounting records. Understanding the difference matters because it affects your audit trail, reports, and bookkeeping accuracy. A deleted invoice is usually a draft, incomplete, not officially part of accounting records yet. Deleting removes it completely. A voided invoice is an invoice that was already active or approved. Instead of removing it entirely, Xero keeps a record of it while canceling its financial effect. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll access the Sales and Invoicing section. Click Sales. Under Sales, click Invoices. What you'll see here. You'll notice invoices categorized by status. The two important statuses here are drafts, awaiting payment, active invoices. Draft invoices are unfinished invoices that haven't officially entered the accounting workflow yet. These can usually be edited freely and deleted completely. Awaiting payment invoices are active invoices. This means they've already been approved and issued. Now go to Drafts. Open the draft invoice options. Click on the three dots associated with the draft invoice. Click Delete. What happens after deletion? The draft invoice is removed completely from the system because it was never officially finalized. Now go to Awaiting Payment. Open the invoice options. Click on the three dots next to the active invoice. Click Void. What happens when you void an invoice? Xero cancels the invoice, removes its financial effect, keeps a record for audit purposes. Important clarification. Voiding does not completely erase the invoice history. Instead, it preserves documentation while neutralizing the transaction financially. Think of voiding as canceling an official document while still keeping evidence it existed. To summarize, deleting and voiding invoices in Xero depends on the invoice status. After logging into your account and navigating to Sales, then Invoices, you'll notice that draft invoices and awaiting payment invoices are treated differently. Draft invoices can be completely deleted by opening the three-dot menu and selecting Delete, since they haven't officially affected accounting records yet. However, awaiting payment invoices are active invoices, so instead of deletion, they must be voided by selecting Void from the same options menu. Voiding cancels the invoice while preserving the accounting history and audit trail inside Xero. And that's how to delete and void invoices in Xero. This may seem like a small administrative task, but understanding the difference between deleting and voiding is actually a core accounting concept because it protects the integrity of your financial records. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.